Art, your mission is to find out how we can help the Travis family enjoy economic flexibility for years to come. Can you handle that, Art?
You bet I can, Gunny, but I'm not doing it alone. Backing us up on this military makeover is Kimberly Durkot, Product Manager for Intermatic Incorporated.
Intermatic is a family-based business in the United States for 125 plus years, and therefore we have a deep appreciation for the men and women who serve and protect our country.
Oh, well, you know what? They are going to just be blown away with the results of this makeover.
Of course, Kim has brought along a few amazing goodies for this military makeover party.
Let's talk about surge protection because, in my mind, you always see these power strips, right? And they have surge protection, protect your electronics, but you're talking about a whole house system.
Most homeowners, when they think of surge protection, use surge strips to protect maybe their PC or a flat screen TV. But there's other products in the house that are very expensive, other appliances and electronics that also need to be protected.
If you think about how much money a homeowner spends on their central AC system, protecting it seems like a wise decision.
If you get a power surge, you can burn out the compressor or the condenser, right? And there's a specific surge protector for that.
Correct. We have an award-winning product, the Compressor Defender, which is installed outside on your air conditioner condenser unit. And it helps to protect against the three most common electrical failures, which is surges, brownouts, and short cycling.
Now, how about the outside outlets around the pool or on the exterior of the house where you can plug things in? You need special covers for those, waterproof covers.
Correct. So Intermatic has a full line of plastic in-use weatherproof covers, and on the house we've installed beige ones to kind of match with the surroundings. We have a full line of colors in the plastic in-use covers, and these are also required by the National Electrical Code, and it's there to keep your family safe, to protect the outlets from wet weather conditions.
So these enable you to actually have something plugged in, say Christmas lights or something like that, or a spotlight,
Correct.
right?
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
And you can leave it plugged in and the cover keeps it completely dry.
Absolutely.
Let's check back in with Kimberly from Intermatic. With the Intermatic whole house surge protection device and consumable modules, everything in the house is protected, like your large appliances such as the refrigerator and washer and dryer.
Now, I get this statement on my power bill. It says zap cap or whatever, and they charge me a fee every month through the power company. You can avoid that by buying your own surge protection, right?
Correct. So you buy the whole house surge protective device. You need to have a licensed electrician to install it to your main electrical panel.
This way, homeowners can monitor it themselves and make sure their home is protected. Pool operation can be as much as 20% of the entire electrical consumption. Kim has brought along a money-saving solution for that as well.
The multi-wave system allows the homeowner to control up to 5 different operations for their pool via a wireless remote, whether it's a fountain, a spa, lighting, the pool cleaner.
So you can set the timer to maybe when power usage isn't at a premium, so
Correct.
It costs a little bit less.
Correct. And in addition, you can take a dip in the pool without being surprised by the temperature being off, because the temperature sensors with the multi-wave actually monitor and control the temperature of both your pool and your spa.
Other items that will be installed inside the Travis's new home include wall timers and occupancy sensors in the laundry room.
So the occupancy sensor will work by turning on and off the lights when it senses somebody walking into a room and walking out of a room. Imagine carrying a basket full of laundry.
Right.
You don't have to balance that and also try to turn on the light switch in the laundry room.
Yeah, because that can get a little tricky using an elbow or a hip or
Yep.
something like that. Well, thank you so much for being here, Kim, and we appreciate your contribution to the project.
Thank you.